Everyone had a good weekend? Ready to go back? Yeah. Okay. So today begins the first part in a 5-part series of solving quadratic equations. Why not? Today we're going to solve quadratic equations by factoring. Quadratic equations are just equations with like an x squared value. So it's really nothing you haven't seen before. Neither should this. Zero product property. Well, neither. It's going to make total sense. And if you guys went to math camp, there's nothing wrong with going to math camp. We're working at a math camp. October this weekend. The zero product property. If we have two things and they multiply to zero, that means one of those things has to be zero. Right? Nothing we learned in grade 3 multiplication. Something times zero equals zero. So, if we have something like this. We have x plus 2 times x minus 3 equals 0. What does that mean? X equals 0. X equals 0. What do you say, Rick? Minus 3 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2. Yeah, that means if we have this here, x plus 2, x minus 3 equals 0, that means the parts, so either x plus 2 or x minus 3 equals 0. So this is like our A, this is like our B, A or B equals 0. Okay, so we have this, and it has to be equal to 0. I'll go back on later. It has to be equal to 0. There's a zero product property to work. It has to be equal to 0. You want to share it? No. Good. Good. This means it has to be equal to 0. And we cannot have our x plus 2, x minus 3 equal to negative 1. Say that either part. Call that. Otherwise, our zero product property doesn't work. Okay, so now for when we want to solve our quadratic factoring, we use these steps. First of which, we have to make sure our equation is equal to 0. We're going to have our quadratic on one side and 0 on the other side. After that, we factor the quadratic. Then we set each factor equal to 0 and solve. I don't know if it's blowing you guys away. It sounds really hard. So we have something like this. Write it down. Thank you. X squared minus 3x minus 40 equals 0. Yeah, so since it's already equal to 0, we can just go ahead and factor. Yeah, look at the multiply to negative 40, add to negative 3. We got x plus 8. Wait. This is still equal to 0. And now this is where our zero product property comes in. We can go x minus 8 equals 0. And x plus 5 equals 0. Have to do both. Yeah. We have two different answers. So the one on the left, x minus 8 equals 0. What do we get for x? X equals 8. And for the other one? Right. Kind of, sort of. But yeah, but these are going to be our, that's our solution. Yeah. That's using the zero product property. Now we can say this and this. Any questions with that? What's the first thing I want to do with this one? Make it equal to 0. So get my 8x over here, x squared, add 14x, and subtract 15. Now what do I do? Figure it out. Factor. What's 8 times negative 15? There's 120. Two factors that multiply negative 120 add 6 and what? 1520. Okay. Before we do the brackets, that's just breaking down our 14 into negative 6 and positive 20. Now we can group. Doesn't matter at all. Still get the same answer again. So I've got these two. What's the same about 8x squared and negative 6x? What's left in the bracket? 4x subtract 2. Same about 20x and negative 15. 5. And we got a 4x with a negative 3 left over. And 4x minus 3. That's plus 5. Add my two factors. Zero product property. Set both of them. Yeah, this equals to 0 and this equals to 0. What do I get when I solve brackets? 4, so I'm going to have 4x, 3, x equals 3 over 4, negative 5 over 3, subtract 5, x equals negative 5, divide everything by 2, equals negative 5 over 2. That's all we do. That's the difference, right? Answers are just fine. You can talk if you want to, okay? Okay. Pay attention. Okay. Totally nailed it. Good job. So, assuming everyone has this, so you can start talking the whole time. Good. Any questions on this? We've just multiplied everything out. Make one side equal to 0. Went on and factored it.